Alright, so putting this bottom cover back on is just about the reverse of how we took it off. I'm going to get this placed up in here. A little bit of fighting here with this new cable getting that into place, but it will work out. All right. See what's going on here. I'm going to slip the cable. There's a notch right here. Cable's supposed to ride on that, but she's pretty tight. So we're going to see if we can fit the cable over that. One too many zip ties. That's what's jamming her up. There we go. Alright, let me get some gloves on here before we get any dirtier. Start putting our parts back in. Okay, as I told you in the past, we've got this bolt and retainer right here. This is going to go right up through here. Get the sleeve on it. And get this 12mm started in here. Other one, We'll go up here into the top where we had taken the wheel off. That particular one's a 10 millimeter. You can't see what I'm doing here. So where we had gone and we moved the wheel, so there's that, and there's that 12 millimeter right down inside there. Get those two snugged up, and then we can get the rest of this bottom cover on and get everything complete. Alright, now we want to get our pin that we had removed from here earlier. We'll get that into place. See if I can get this lined up just a little bit more. There we go. And now we'll start putting the rings back on. Okay, so get this on here. Sometimes you have to adjust this pin just a little bit. We adjust this mulch lever there a little bit so the pin sets a little more horizontally. So that's all the way in. We'll go ahead and place that there. This half the cover back. Now we can start wiggling the plate right there in line. Grab this bracket with the two long bolts, get that in first. Those go all the way to the engine mount. They're 12 millimeter. Not going to put them all the way in yet, we're just snugging them. These metal plates help retain this plastic cover in here. So that's it for the long bolts right now. They're snugged in. And now we just get the remainder of our plates. They're also 12 millimeter. And we get them started. that up just a bit. There we go. Once all your bolts are in and lightly snug, go ahead and then go around and tighten them all. We'll get our 14 millimeter out and we'll put our blades on. Okay, one of the last things we want to do before we roll it over, we want to, just a moment, I'll show you here. We want to insert this bolt carriage right here. And what I've done is I've moved the bag mulch lever all the way to the mulch position, and I've lined this plate up. So we insert this through here. We're going to come around here. Hopefully you can see in here. You can see where it's already gone through the plate. So all we have to do now is put the washer and the lock nut on it. So we hold it from one side. Get that started, get our 10 millimeter wrench on it. I don't think I need that extension. We'll go with the short one. That's it. And now when we move our bag and mulch lever, as you can see, the door opened up. That's in the bag mode. And in the mulch mode, this particular mower has 10 different positions. You can do that. Okay, let me get this thing flipped over and we'll get the rest of the assembly finished up here. Okay, so all that's left, and we'll have to do a final adjustment on this, is to get this up into position and get our shift lever back on. And it's pretty much the reverse of how we took it off. So I'll be right back. Okay, our next step is just going to be putting it back together. Got our fuel tank right here. Put that up. Place the shroud. Get our recoil. Put our 3 10 millimeter nuts on. Our ratchet will snug them down. And that's it. So there we go. The Honda HRX217. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks. Bye-bye.